Have you ever spent hours manually importing data into Excel, only to end up with a spreadsheet that's riddled with errors and inconsistencies? By the end of this video, you'll be able to import data from CSV, web pages, and APIs in a matter of minutes, and boost your productivity by at least 30%. First, let's cover importing data from CSV files. This is one of the most common file formats used for data exchange, and Excel makes it easy to import. To do this, navigate to the Data tab in the ribbon and click on From Text. This will open the Text Import Wizard. In the Text Import Wizard, select the file you want to import, and then choose the delimiter that separates the data. For most CSV files, this will be a comma. Make sure to select the correct data type for each column, such as text or number. If you're importing a large CSV file, you can also choose to skip the first few rows and select a specific cell range to import. For example, let's say you have a CSV file named employee